Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today for what I'm going to be doing for you is a blueberry crumble. This is very special to me today because my boy got me this for Father's Day, and I think that's a hint that he wanted to eat a little bit of blueberry crumble, so I'm going to make this. It's just a bag with a mix. It's real simple, but I'm going to do it in this cast iron pot right here. When my wife's aunt passed away, her three kids, Marcia, Monty, and Mike, they knew I loved to cook with cast iron. They decided to give this to me. I cherish it. I use it a lot in the house. I've never done it in any of my videos. So today I'm going to do it in my video. I'm going to be cooking on my grill over here, so I won't be using the lid for the crumble. But we're going to do this blueberry crumble. I'll be back with you when I start getting all the ingredients together. Alright, according to the instructions on the bag, I just cut this open, dump it in a bowl, I've got myself a half a stick of melted butter. And I'm supposed to just stir this together until it gets crumbly. I've never made anything like this before, so I'm not 100% sure what crumbly looks like, and I think I might need a fork, but we'll try it with this spoon. Let me get to mixing this a little bit more and I'll be right back. Alright, to be totally honest with you, I was surprised, but it did come together pretty good. I guess there is something to be said about following instructions. I thought it needed a little more butter, but I just kept mixing and everything, and it did eventually come together. It took me about 3 minutes of mixing. So let me get Adeline's pot over here. I've already oiled it down. I got one 21-ounce can of the blueberry pie filling. I'm just going to put this in the bottom. There it comes. Had me worried for a second. Alright. Let me get that spread evenly around the bottom. Alright, let me move my camera a little bit. I don't know how well you can see down in there, but everything's spread nice and even. So I'm supposed to just sprinkle this over the top as evenly as I can. Well, I don't know exactly what they have in this mix, but it hasn't even started cooking yet, and it smells very good. Alright, everything looks pretty even all the way around. So let me get ready to get this on the grill. Alright, we're over here at the grill. I've got it going around 375 degrees. I've only got 2 of the burners on. I'm going to set this in here. Like I said, I'm going to leave it uncovered so the top will crisp up. As you can tell by the video, This is an old grill. I've had it probably over 20 years. I'm on my 4th set of grates on it. I'm getting ready to put new burners underneath, but I haven't had time to do that yet. But thing still works, so I'm not going to get rid of it. But let me shut this lid, let it get back up to temperature, because it looks like it dropped down to about 325 while I had it lid open. I'm going to let that go for at least a half hour, and I'll check on it. And when I think it's done, I'll be back with you. Alright, this has been going for about 32 minutes probably. The smell coming out of this grill is just amazing. So let's take a peek and see what we have. Oh, the top is good and brown and everything, and the filling is bubbling through. I'm definitely going to turn this off, call this good. I'm going to take this inside and let it cool down so I don't like scald the inside of my mouth. And I'll be back with a taste test. If you guys like my videos, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment to them. I enjoy answering all the comments and everything I get. And like I said earlier, I want to dedicate this cook today to Adeline Farmer, my wife's aunt that passed away. Beautiful woman. I wish each and every one of you would have had a chance to meet her. I am so happy that her kids decided to give me this cast iron pot. I'll be back with a taste test. You all have a blessed day. Alright, I got this in a bowl with some ice cream or whatnot. I don't know how well you can see it, but man, it smells great. Let's take a test. I let it cool down because, like I said, I didn't want to lose the skin on the roof of my mouth. Let me get a little ice cream too. That is very good. It actually surprises me for coming out of a package and everything. I'm gonna have to find out where my boy bought that at, because like I said, he got me that for Father's Day. Once again, I'd like to thank my wife's family for gifting me that Dutch oven. I do use it a lot, I really do. This is my first video with it. This turned out great for something super simple. 3 minutes prep, 4 minutes prep top. You all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching my video.